Nobody talks about the difference between how parents treat the oldest child versus the youngest child. Because I'm the youngest one in my family, and my older brother would always tell me stories about how strict our parents were when he was growing up. Like if my brother tried to have a couple friends over at the house, they would say absolutely not. But while I was growing up, my parents would go on like a 2-day vacation and they leave me at the house alone, and my dad would literally be like, why don't you throw a party while we're gone? And I'd be like, what? I don't want to do that. And he would be like, yeah, do it. All the kids at school will think you're super cool. And then he would say, just don't bring over 200 people. Dad, I don't even know 200 people. Now that I think of it, he was probably begging me to do this because he thought that I had no friends. But that's not even the craziest part, because when I was growing up, if I wanted anything, my parents would get it. Like they bought me a car right when I got my license and I didn't even ask for it. And I know some people are gonna be like, oh, you're so privileged. I know, you're right, it's crazy. Because when my older brother got his license,